Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how does Eldorado.gg work. First, open your Google Chrome and search for Eldorado. Now, click on the official Eldorado website from the search results. Once the website opens, click on Login from the top right corner. Here, sign in with Google. You can also sign in using Apple, Facebook, or another available login option. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main marketplace page. Here you can browse different games, accounts, in-game currency, boosting services, and other gaming-related products. Use the search bar at the top to find the game or item you're looking for. When you find an offer that interests you, click on it to view more details. You can check the price, seller rating, delivery method, estimated delivery time, and product description before making a purchase. If you want to buy the item, click Buy Now and proceed to checkout. Select your preferred payment method and complete the payment process. After payment, you'll be able to communicate with the seller through the order chat if needed. Once the seller delivers the item, account, or service, carefully review everything to make sure it matches the description. If everything is correct, confirm that you have received the order. Eldorado holds the payment securely during the transaction, which helps protect both buyers and sellers. If there is a problem with the order, you can open a dispute and contact Eldorado support for assistance. You can also use Eldorado as a seller by creating listings, setting prices, and managing your orders through your account dashboard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.